How to customize the time format for Python logging. I am new to Python's logging package and plan to use it for my project. I would like to customize the time format to my taste. Here is a short code I copied from a tutorial. And here is the output. I would like to shorten the time format to just July 10, 2010 10 column 46 column 28, dropping the millisecond suffix. I looked at the formatter.format time, but confused. I appreciate your help to achieve my goal. Thank you.
From the official documentation regarding the formatter class. The constructor takes two optional arguments, a message format string and a date format string. So change to
If using logging.config.fileconfig with a configuration file, use something like
using logging.basic-config, the following example works for me. This allows you to format and config all in one line. A resulting log record looks as follows.
To add to the other answers, here is the variable list from Python documentation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.